Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Ms. Shabnam Chowdhary from Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate English Secondary School Fashi. In this video, I am going to explain you from Standard 5th subject Maths, and my topic name is very simple and it's very important also. The topic is fraction. My dear student, I've already explained you what is mean by fraction. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to add and subtract the fractions. That means how to add and subtract like fraction as well as unlike fraction. Okay, let's revise what is mean by like fraction. So fraction with same denominator are called like fraction. Okay, same denominator is called as a like fraction. So here you can see some examples are appearing on the screen, that is 1 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 10 upon 7, 12 upon 7 as well as 8 upon 7 are all like fractions because denominator are same. So this is a like fraction. Now next is what is mean by unlike fraction. So the fraction with different denominator are called unlike fraction. Okay, here in unlike fraction denominators are different. So as you can see, some fraction are appear on the screen, that is 11 upon 5, 6 upon 7, 1 upon 9, 2 upon 3 as well as 8 upon 17. So I hope you understand what is mean by like fraction as well as unlike fraction. Now let's start. First I will going to explain you how to add like fraction. So here the first sum appear on the screen, 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5, and we have to add this. As you can see, this is a like fraction. So what you are going to do, I have circled the numerator. Why I have circled the numerator? Because while adding a like fraction, you just going to add the numerator, that is 1 plus 3. So what is my next step? Next step is 1 plus 3. Okay, how are you going to write? You have to add the numerator, that is 1 plus 3, and denominator remain as it is. So what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. So 4 upon 5 is a final answer. It's very simple now. So I can say that while adding any like fraction, what we have to see? We have to see the numerator. So when adding any like fraction, we have to add the numerators of the fraction and we have to write the denominator as it is. Hope you understand the solution. Let's see the another example. Another examples are appear on the screen. As you can see, again I have highlighted, I have circled the numerator, and here I am going to add the numerator, that is 8 plus 7. So my next step will be 8 plus 7 divide by 11. What is 8 plus 7? 8 plus 7 is nothing but 15. So 15 upon 11 is the final answer. Hope you understand how to add the like fraction. Now we can see how to subtract the unlike fractions. So when subtracting like fraction, we have to subtract the numerator. Same. So let's see how to subtract like fraction, and the method is same. As you can see, two fractions, 5 upon 3, 1 upon 3, and we have to subtract. Again the numerator we have to subtract and denominator is same. So here you are going to subtract the numerator, that is 5 minus 1. Okay, so next step, how are you going to write? 5 minus 1 and denominator remain as it is. So after subtraction, my answer will be 4 upon 3. Okay, hope you understand how to subtract. Let's see one more example. 17 upon 13 minus 15 upon 13. Again both the numerators, that is 17 and 15. We are going to subtract 17 with 15. So next step will be 17 minus 15 divide by 13. What is 17 minus 15? Is nothing but 2. So 2 upon 13 is a final answer. So hope you understand how to subtract and add the like fraction. Now let's see how to add unlike fraction. Here unlike fraction. So the question is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Both fractions are unlike because both the denominators are unequal. But here, while adding any unlike fraction, first we have to make this like fraction. And I've already explained you how to make like fractions. When the fraction is unlike and how you're going to make the like fraction. So I will going to write the first fraction, that is 2 upon 5. Again I'm going to write 2 upon 5 and I will going to multiply it with 3. Why with 3? Because second fraction, the denominator of the second fraction is 3. So I am going to multiply with 3. So what is my answer? 6 upon 15. Similarly, let's take the second fraction and here I am going to multiply with 5. That is 1 into 5 upon 3 into 5. Why with 5 only? Because first fraction with denominator. Now, as you can see, after multiplication, both the fraction turns to like fraction. Now you're going to add the like fraction. And what is our method to add the like fraction? Just you're going to add the numerator, that is 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11. So 11 upon 15 is the final answer. Here second sum, 2 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. So here both are the unlike fraction, but as you can see in the table of 7, 21 appears. The place is 3. So what I'm going to do, I will going to write 3 upon 7 and I'm going to multiply the fraction 3 upon 7 with 3. Why with 3? Because 7 3s are 21. So what is 3 into 3? It's nothing but 9. And what is 7 into 3? It's 21. Now as you can see, the first fraction and after multiplication of the second fraction, both the fraction becomes like fraction. Why? Because the denominators are same. So how to add the like fraction? You know the method. So what is the answer? 11 upon 21. It's very simple now? Yes. Moving further. Now we're going to see what is our next. Next is we're going to subtract the unlike fraction. Okay. Now same, just what you have done in the addition of unlike fraction, same we're going to do in the subtraction of the unlike fraction. So here the question is 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. So again you know 10 table, 10 twos are 20. So I will take the first fraction and I'm going to multiply first fraction with which number? Yes, it's very simple. I'm going to multiply with 2. So 3 into 2 and 10 into 2. So what is my answer? Answer is 6 upon 20. And I've already explained you why I'm going to multiply with 2. Because 10 twos are 20. So as you can see, I've circled the second and the multiplication. After multiplication, both the fractions become like fraction. Now I'm going to subtract both the fraction. So what is 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is nothing but 20 upon. So 5 upon 20 is a final answer. We will solve one more problem. So question is 4 upon 6 minus 2 upon 7. Unlike fraction, and we have to make this as a like fraction. So what I'm going to take, I'm going to take the first fraction and I'm going to multiply first fraction with number 7. Why? Because it is a denominator of the second fraction. So after multiplication, my answer is 28 upon 42. Similarly, I'm going to take the second fraction and I'm going to multiply second fraction with 6. And my answer is 12 upon 42. Now it's turned to a like fraction and you know how to subtract the like fraction. So 28 upon 42 minus 12 upon 42. So what is the answer? 28 minus 12 upon 42, that is equals to 16 upon 42.
I hope you understand how to subtract and how to add the like as well as unlike fraction. So, thank you so much for watching this.